Okay, so today I am going to be making two videos. One showing you what's inside of the Universal Yums Super Yum Box. And the second one is going to be me trying what's inside and reviewing it. Okay, so let's see what is in the box. So every month there's a different box, and it looks like this month's box comes from the land of poets and thinkers. Now I think that is Germany. Let's see. Yep, Germany. So it has, looks like a couple of facts and games on the back. So let's flip that over. So there's games, there's a puzzle, and then here it looks like you can rank all the different snacks in the box. So here is a pamphlet that says some stuff about Germany, some trivia, and it tells you what all the different things are. So, first thing, Knuffles. I don't speak German, but I'm guessing that it's ham and cheese flavored. They look like little potato chips. Palm's Currywurst. So this would probably be like curry French fry things. Crowder mix. So this looks like Triscuit looking crackers and spices. Then on the second layer, Curlies. So these look like peanut corn puff things. So like peanut puffs. Zwiebels. Probably pronouncing that wrong. So like sour cream and onion rings. These, I have no idea, but they look like powdered sugar covered chocolates, and they're like really heavy, so they're probably like some nut. This I'll save for later. I think that this is a fruit cake. This looks like a chocolate bar. In here we have 4 of these. They look like chocolate covered Rice Krispie treats. Then we have a few of these. There's a hedgehog slice chocolate bar, which I think is like cookies and chocolate. There's a strawberry rhubarb chocolate bar. There is a poppy seed chocolate bar. Then we have these, I don't even know, but I think that says for kids. They look like chocolates with milk stuff. Then we have, look like a wafer with some type of berries in them. And then similar thing, a wafer with blueberry filling. And then wafer with lemon. So that is the main stuff in the box. Then it looks like we have this yum bag. And in this yum bag, it looks like there's a bunch of smaller snacks. So let's open up this yum bag and see what is inside. Okay. There are these 4 powders. They look similar to like a powder thing that you would open and pour into water to make a soda. Whoa. There's a ton of these things, which look like flavored seltzers, I guess. Or it could be like a high dog. It could be like, I don't know, you'll just have to see in the next video when I try it. Then there are these chocolates. I think they come in a few different colors, but they're all the same thing, it looks like. There are a ton of them. Then there are these, they look similar to singularly wrapped Starbursts, but they have different things. So they've got grapefruit, they have, I don't even know what that is. They have a few different types of berries. And they have, I think that might be like pomegranate. I don't know. You could probably maybe tell me what this is in the comments. That'd be great. I might just be able to read it in the pamphlet. So yeah, that's what comes in the Super Yum box from Universal Yums for the month of January 2019.